Kutula home choice loko nri henhla ka wena ni twanga ku nkhandziye Rolls Royce lavi no chick when I hear the sound of your voice it is music to my ears when it's screaming so loud on top kutula Queen Bed Aristonic uwa mina ntsena bange touch tani public kuwetha kutula Versace receptionist abantu bakbak ngakutira garage ukala drama like MTV base nga halova today but tomorrow will be together ngaku sponsor back please you a beauty pageant queen of my castle ngakungwana mathalo endla face Tyson ni mama hlweni ka mic suma ngoma ya rants lisuka kambilwi sasekile xikandzeni hambi ubihe emirini share a record nata kuhlomisa ta kulovola weapon Tama na kukubona nje bioscope cause upretty ngaku actor scheme sami flop scream shifera kanzumi loko xikaxi ku design we still ready for each other nokuteka nje xikhaya uni breka nyana tani culture spear shonge hamburi kule nyana I'm your fan you beauty with logic you're a queen of umzansi unendlela magic wow oh deserve a diamond ring na 10 at white wearing I'll give you my son name you got my heart tani Kevin inga faster day to days irawe ranzunta sure vutisa lava ntivaka va ri paki nga kurhurha mesh mary neven fambelana bya two piece I like your voice when you talk na accent I put to geese I get tipsy when you walk loko hleka I overdose inside the Rosa Prima sky and you're a Juliet Rosa chose